Did you know you only need 15 minutes a day to speak English well? Alone?
Wait, what? 15 minutes?
Yeah, just 15.
No way, Luna. That's a joke, right?
No, I am totally serious.
But people study for hours, years.
Right, and they still, they can't speak.
Exactly. Why? It is so hard.
Because they do it wrong, Lucas. They just do it wrong.
Okay, so how do you do it right?
You do a little bit, but you do it every single day.
Every day?
Mm-hmm. Every day. No excuses.
But I am so busy. I have work, I have sleep.
Everyone sleeps, Lucas.
Yeah, but I mean, 15 minutes, really?
Really. Think about water.
Water?
Yeah, like drops of water.
Okay, I am lost.
If you put one drop of water on a rock, nothing happens.
Right. It is just wet.
Exactly. But if you put one drop every day for a year.
Oh, it makes a hole.
Yes, a hole in the rock. English is the rock.
Wait, English is a rock?
Well, no, your brain is the rock. Wait, that sounds bad.
My brain is a rock. Thank you, Luna.
You know what I mean.
I know. Small things every day.
Yes, the problem is people want to run fast.
Mm-hmm.
They study for 3 hours on Sunday.
Oh, I do that. Sunday night, 3 hours.
And Monday?
Nothing. Too tired.
Tuesday?
Still tired.
See? That is bad. The brain forgets.
So, 15 minutes is better than 3 hours?
Yes, 100% yes.
I do not believe you.
Okay, think about brushing your teeth.
Brushing my teeth. Okay.
Do you brush your teeth for 2 minutes every day?
Of course, I have nice teeth.
Right. But what if you do not brush all week
Yuck.
and then brush for 14 minutes on Sunday?
Oh no, your teeth will fall out.
Exactly. Your English teeth fall out. My English teeth. That is so funny. But it is true. You need to brush your English every day.
I get it now.
You get it?
Yeah, small time, but many days.
Daily habit.
But wait, you said alone.
Yes, 100% alone.
How do you speak alone? Do I talk to my dog?
Yeah, talk to your dog. Why not?
Wait, really? My dog, he only knows sit.
It doesn't matter. The dog, he doesn't judge you.
That is true. He never says my grammar is bad.
Exactly. But if you don't have a dog,
Right. No dog.
you can just talk to the mirror.
The mirror? Like, look at myself?
Yes, it feels silly, like really, really silly.
It sounds crazy. People will think I am crazy.
Let them think that. You are learning.
Okay, Luna. So I talk to the mirror. But what do I say?
Good question, Lucas. You do something called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like the dark thing on the ground?
No, not a real shadow.
Oh, then what is it?
Shadowing means you listen and then you repeat.
Oh, like a parrot.
Yes, exactly like a parrot.
Hello, I am Lucas. Give me a cracker.
Yes, perfect. You just copy the sounds.
So I just listen to a video, right? And say the same words?
Yes, you press pause and you speak.
Wow, that is actually very easy.
Super easy. And you do it alone in your room.
No teacher, zero stress.
Zero stress. So remember the 15 minutes?
Yeah, 15 minutes a day, the English teeth.
Right. Let's cut it. Cut it in 3 small parts.
Cut it, with scissors?
No, Lucas. Time. Cut the time.
Oh, right. Sorry. I am slow today.
It is okay. First, 5 minutes you listen.
Okay. Listen to music.
Or a podcast, like us.
Ah, smart. Listen to English Pod Center.
Always. Then, 5 minutes you read.
Wait, read out loud or quiet?
Out loud. You must speak big.
Speak big. Got it. So 5 minutes listen, 5 minutes read loud.
And the last 5 minutes?
Wait, let me guess.
Go ahead.
Write in a book?
No. Speak.
Oh, right. Talk to the dog.
Yes. Talk to the dog, talk to the wall, talk to the shower.
The shower? Why the shower?
Because shower English is the best. You are warm and relaxed.
I usually sing in the shower.
Well, now you speak English in the shower.
See? Wow, that is 15 minutes.
5 plus 5 plus 5. Very easy.
I can do that. Anyone can do that.
Exactly. Even you, Lucas.
Hey, but seriously, what is your favorite place to speak alone?
Oh, good question. Tell us in the comments.
Yeah, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe.
Keep brushing your English teeth and keep watching English Pod Center.
Bye, everyone. Go talk to your mirror.